What is the official attitude now, General, to the Awami League?
The official attitude is this, that Awami League as a party has been banned. That does not mean that every Awami Leaguer was anti-Pakistan, because our first premise is that the Awami League fought the elections within the legal framework order, within the bounds of legal framework order. That is to say, they were acceptable to us or to Pakistan. They accepted Pakistan as the basis of fighting the elections. So the Awami League MNAs remain MNAs, but they don't remain Awami League MNAs. They become independent MNAs. And I think on the 28th, when the President speaks to the nation, you will hear definitely about this.